And it's a dreary day across central Indiana with much needed rain finally arriving. We definitely saw some wet roads today after weeks of dry weather. The rain also keeping temperatures much cooler than normal for this time of year. I have to say, like, you throw on the jacket and it almost feels like a cool spring again.
Yeah, right. And also we had the highest or the coolest highest temperature. We broke the daily record for that today. We didn't get out of the 70s. We only had a high of 67, and that broke that previous record that was at 74. Typically we're in the low 80s. And right now the rain is still falling down, holding those temperatures down as well. This is downtown Indianapolis. You can just see how soggy it is out there. Here's live Doppler 13. Moderate to heavy rainfall still in Marion County. That's stretching into Greenwood, New Whiteland, Franklin as well. Even Shelbyville, you have a good downpour. This is stretching back northeast over I-70. Really areas south of Indianapolis had a break earlier today. Then thunderstorms moved in this afternoon. And really they're confined between I-70 and I-74. Greensburg, Rushville, Connorsville, Richmond. You're hearing some rumbles of thunder and some decent downpours at this time. And this is going to continue for the next couple of hours before it starts to move out. You can see that backside starting to slide out of Lafayette. And we didn't have severe weather despite some of this heavy rain and frequent lightning. The stronger storm stayed well to our south in Kentucky, Tennessee, and with that cold front moving into where temperatures were able to get a little bit warmer. Now behind this cold front, some cooler air is going to be mixing on in. But as we look at future track 13, most of the rain will be to our east around 9-10 o'clock. We'll still deal with some cloud cover overnight and even into tomorrow morning. Maybe some light drizzle, especially for areas east of Indianapolis near Richmond for the first half of the day. But temperatures currently right now, it is 61 degrees, 60 in Kokomo, 63 in Lafayette, 68 in Bedford. Now Bedford, you were able to get up into the upper 70s and low 80s when we had a little bit of that drier stretch this afternoon. But for the rest of the evening, temperatures will turn a little bit cooler, especially as the winds start to pick up out of the north and northwest about 10 to 15 miles per hour, allowing those temperatures to fall down into the 50s. Early morning lows right around 55. So we'll start off cool tomorrow morning. Clouds will decrease to that sunshine. However, with that northwest breeze, high temperatures will be in the low to middle 70s. So let's put future track 13 into play. As I mentioned, maybe some light drizzle east of Indianapolis for the first half of the day, then a little bit more sunshine for the second half of the day. Now that low pressure system is actually going to wrap around the Great Lakes, bringing additional moisture on Tuesday, starting in the morning for the northern half of the state. Then as we head into the afternoon and evening, a few of those rain showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, will develop for the afternoon and evening hours in central Indiana. And that's going to cause that temperature divide, a little bit more cloud cover on Tuesday farther to the north, keeping those highs in low to middle 70s, while a little bit farther south we'll be able to warm up into the 80s. So your 7-day forecast next couple of days into the 70s, warm up back up into the middle 80s by Thursday.